What's up, everybody? Long time no see, per usual. Apologies. So today's video is gonna be about Dolago. Yes, they sent me this hair to review, so I'm gonna be going in styling a little bit, and I'm gonna talk to y'all kind of what I think. You know, I'm gonna let y'all know how I'm feeling. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Is it a go? Is it not a go? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna have to apologize for my nails in advance because I don't know what she was doing here. I don't know what shape this is. I told her coffin. I don't know. It was real. I don't know what this is. I don't know if you can sell, but I don't know what this is. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to be quick with this video because I am literally trying to drink tonight. I'm trying to make this cranny and this cranny. What? I'm gonna get this cran and this henny to make a, you know, to make a baby. I'm gonna like, boop, hi, like that. What I'm doing right now is I'm just going through the hair. Just brushing through. Dolago, 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 Dola, 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 Dolago, Dolago, Dolago. I'ma go put me an order in. I'ma go call up all my friends. If they ask where did I get it from, I'ma say Dolago. Beauty, I'm just like Lola. All of my boys, they like, oh my. Body is shaped like a cola. I'm feeling high like the solar. I like my hair right. I like my wig right. I'ma look good tonight. Dolago. I like my hair right. I like my wig right. I'ma look good tonight. Dolago. Feeling so flawless, bossy. Feeling like, boy, get off me. Monday I might feel curly. Tuesday I might feel sassy. Wednesday I might feel lazy and throw me a wig on fastly. Thursday I might feel corporate. Friday night feel nasty. Date night is a Saturday. Find me a look that is screaming play. Sunday I'm throwing in bundles. Lace closure of frontal. Everybody say they loving it. How I could switch up effortless. Feeling fresher than peppermint. You know I'm coming back again. Dola, 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 go, Dola, go, Dola, go, Dola, go, Dola, go, Dola, 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 go, Dola, go, Dola, go, Dola, go. So literally, let me tell you guys, my life was in shambles the other day. I don't even know how I look right now. Probably a mess. So my life was in shambles. My camera broke, right? After the camera broke, I'm like, what the fuck, you know what I mean? And then after the camera broke, my ring light broke. Ain't that funny? Everything was just broke. Like, everything was broke and I was broken. So I couldn't record for a couple of days. After that day, it was kind of like a dud. Not just that, I wasn't really feeling the look that I had going on once I looked at the clips. It was just a bad vibe, bad day, bad everything. So we're starting over. Don't really know how I'm looking because it's kind of like, what time is it right now? It's only 12:57. Oh, I'm a grandma. I thought it was like 3 in the morning. I'm tripping. But it's late. I've been up all day. I've been doing, you know, big grown up things. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no, I've been at the spa all day. But literally, just had to say that. So if you see the clips switching, that's why. What's up, everybody? So this is the finished look. I mean, you know me, nothing crazy. You know, I just do a little simple stuff, pop, 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 and then I come through. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no. It's like, nah, but for real, not professionalism. Here we are, boom. As you can see by the title above, this hair was sent to me by Dolago. Dolago. They sent that hair to me. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm loving it. Like, this has been my go-to wig. Not even gonna hold you up, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna front you, big boy. And let me just tell you why. First and foremost, usually with wigs, I have to bleach the frontal. Which I did bleach the frontal. I didn't have to though. Let me explain. I bleached the frontal. I didn't have to, but the only reason why I bleached the frontal is because I'm like, oh, I got options. Because when I saw the bangs, I'm like, all right, this is just gonna be like a bang thing. You know, I'm just gonna have to wear the bangs. But it's not though. Like, I actually have options. I'm trying to turn this brightness up if I can. Are we not turning up? Oh, let me find out you don't turn up though. You can still see the lace. Obviously I haven't done anything to really blend it. I mean, I bleached it, but like, basically, if I wanted to pull these bangs back and just like wear it like regular, like I could do that. You know, I have options. Once I discovered that, I'm like, oh shoot, like Let me try to do something with that. Let me do something. What I will say is you don't have to bleach the frontal. The lace, kind of how it laid on my skin before bleaching the frontal, it was pretty alright. You know, I don't think they pre-bleached the knots or anything like that, but like if you are someone who's a little on the lazy side and you just want to put a little makeup, you know what I'm saying, you can get away with that. I'm trying to think of what else I could really say. I mean, the main thing that I really love about the wig, so it has the bangs. With it having the bangs, all I literally have to do is throw it on. It's like boom, throw it on. You got the bang cover and everything. The bang is, you know, the bang has its own personality. I mean, look at it. And then like you got the rest of the hair and you just, let me not do that. Like I didn't hold it that long, Paige. I mean, you brush this, it's gonna be limp noodle, okay? You get what I'm saying? Like I literally just throw the wig on, I have the bangs and boom. I don't know if it's because of the bangs. It probably is because of the bangs. It's because of the bangs. But the bangs make the hair, like make me like the hair more because it's like easy. This has been my go-to wig. Literally, like if I'm just about to step out, you know, I just boop, 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 throw it on, because the bangs, I don't have to do nothing. I mean, the most I'll have to do with bangs, because if you've ever had bangs, you know, sometimes it could be a little tedious.
Because you gotta get it go the right way, you know what I'm saying? Get a little flat iron going. Or sometimes the longer strands getting the smaller strands, you know, the short ones, then you gotta like separate it and like get the rat tail comb and then like everything gets shifted.
But besides that, you know what I'm saying? Besides that, I mean, it's effortless, you know what I'm saying? You're not doing anything. I don't know, I normally get like kinky curly hair or more on the curlier texture, you know, blah, 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 blah. They skip, I like the curly, curly, boom, personality, bow. This is different, you know what I'm saying? This is body wave. This is like what I used to wear when I was younger. I mean, I'm not that old, but you get what I'm saying? Like I used to wear a lot of straight hair down to my butt, 26 inches, body wave, loose wave, straight, bone straight, you know, all that stuff. And I haven't done this in a while, and I don't know, I'm thinking I might cross over the street, you know, I might cross over to the straight side, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So I guess other things I could focus on, obviously, boom, hair is very easy to maintain. The only thing I will say is you can kind of come across a little bit of shedding. You know, shedding for me isn't a big deal, but I know for y'all, I don't know. Y'all know how y'all be. Y'all pull on the hair and then, you know, all these strands come out and you be like, oh my God, oh my goodness, oh my God, she's look it up. It's not like that. It's just like, you know what I'm saying? I'll be catching some strands or two in the brush and I'll be like, okay, you know what I mean? Minor shedding. Not really getting that much tangling. I'm trying to think of anything else that didn't have a weird smell. You know, the usuals. Oh, the density. So I'm gonna leave all the hair specs. I'm gonna leave all the hair specs down below. Hair density, all that stuff. Actually, I'm gonna just say it now. Hair density is at 150B. You know what I'm saying? I think it's thick. I think that's why I don't really mind the shedding, because I feel like if I lose about 500 strands, I'm still gonna have a bunch of hair. You feel what I'm saying? Density is at 150. I don't know what the other options are, but all I'm saying, if you want this look, get 150. Length is at 22 inches. So length is at 22 inches. This is kind of where it's at. Oh God. I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm loving the hair. Like, I don't know. Like, I love them. Anytime I get a wig and it's easy to deal with, especially if I'm rough with it, and it makes me look cute. Like, cause you know, some wigs, like they just, you know, I don't know. Ignore what I said. But you get what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I'm just really feeling it. It's a vibe. Some things you just can't explain. And it's just, it has a vibe. And that's just kind of where I'm gonna leave this video. Along with the other things that I've explained, the other good points and key points, etc. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I almost forgot what I was about to say for a second. I'm like, okay. But yeah, for real, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you like the hair? Do you feel it? Do you like the curly better? Do you like the straight? What you with? Let me know. So yeah, I will check you guys with another one.